Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Abu Zaid Ansari and today I am going to talk you through an exciting topic from the world of AI and LLMs, that is stateful memory and context retention, especially in the field of prompt engineering. We interact with AI models every day, from the Google Assistant to ChatGPT, but have you ever wondered how the system remember what we told them a minute ago or even yesterday? Let's decode that. Let's begin with a simple concept, context retention. When we say context, we means the conversation or information flow within the same session. Think of it like talking to a friend. If they remember what you say 2 minutes ago, the conversation flow smoothly. So here are five key points. First, context retention is the model ability to remember previous turn in a conversation. Second, it helps maintenance relevance when we give a multi-step instruction. For example, if you say summarize the this article and then you say turn into bullet point, the model knows what this refer to. Third one is it create a consistency, meaning response don't free, random or disconnected. Fourth one is this is a possible because the model referencing earlier part of the chat within the current prompt window. Fifth one, it useful thing like storytelling, summarization or step-by-step problem solving because the model is holding on your context temporarily. Real life example when you chatting with your customer support chatbot and it remember what issue you just described, that context retention in action. Now let's move from temporary memory to something more long lasting called stateful memory. Unlike context, stateful memory allow an AI system to remember you across session, not just in one chat. Here are five quick facts. First, stateful memory is more permanent type of memory. It use system that are allowed to retain and store knowledge over time. Second, it help remember your name, performance, behavior, goal if you are giving it permission. Third one, this memory can be updated, refined, and clear by the user or by the system automatically. Fourth, it allow personalization so your AI assistant start to feel custom built just for you. Fifth and important, it goes beyond one session. Even if you close your browser and come back tomorrow, a system with stateful memory still remember you. Analog, think of context retention like writing on a whiteboard. It's cleared when the session ends. Stateful memory is one more like notebook. It stay even after you walk away. Let's imagine you are having a conversation with a friend. If you are talking today and referring to what you said 5 minutes ago, that context. But if your friend remember your birthday from last year, your favorite movie, on your career goal, that's a memory. First, context short memory within the current chat. In prompt engineering, context means the model remember what you just said within the current session. For example, if you ask Chat GPT who is the president of India and then follow up with what are his major policies, it understand is referring to the president from our earlier question. That's context. Memory long term stored across session if enabled. On the other hand, memory is a deeper form of recall. If an AI assistant remember that you like teach news or always asks for jokes at the end, even after days, that stateful memory is persistent beyond a single chat. Similarly to how our brain remember long-term habits, context help with immediately logic and follow ups. Context retention, ensuring smooth conversation without repeating yourself. It's like when you are chatting and you don't have keep saying the full detail over and over. The AI already get it for that moment. Memory help with user history, goal and habits. Memory however, help build a long-term relationship. Think of AI tools that track or fitness goal or reading performance. It's enable customize based on your personal journey. Both improve user experience but serve different purpose. So in short, both context and memory are powerful. Context help in immediately understanding while memory enable personalized intelligence interaction over the time. Together, they make AI feel as like robot and more like together thoughtful assistants. Let's now see how all these help in prompt engineering, which is the art of giving instruction to LLMs effectively. Here are 5 great use cases. First, we can design a multi-step prompt where each step build one last one. Context help maintain flow. You can build AI assistant that remember your style or preference. For example, always replying formally or summarizing in a bullet point. Chatbot can continue meaningful conversation without repeating question every time. In education, we can create a tutoring system that adapt to the learning pace, remembering what concept a studying has already understood. Finally, combining context memory means more relevant result in things like product recommendation, personalized email, or even therapy chatbot. We ever seen how powerful context and memory can be, but to use them effectively, we follow some best practice. First, remind the model of key detail in long prompt. If your prompt is long, including summary, remind the model of key detail in long prompt. If your prompt is long, include a summary. Second, if your model forgets something important, summarize the context again to retain it. Third one, use a memory ethically with user transparency and control. Always let the user know what been remembered. Don't overload the model with unnecessary detail. Keep the context focused and relevant. Fifth one, customize your prompt based on session length. Some model have token limit, so design smartly.